Hello everyone and welcome to another keyboard video. I haven't built a keyboard for myself in a while, and I knew I wanted to make one polar bear themed because of my profile picture, Filbert. The board I used is a CIY GAS67 and is modded with foam and paint tape. After doing these mods, it made the keyboard have worse build quality, but we are focusing on the sound here with Echo wine reds that are pre-lubed. These switches made it sound pretty good. The acrylic plate adds more of a muted sound and gets rid of some hollowness. A really cool thing about this keyboard is that it was very budget friendly to me, because I got the board off of eBay, so the price came out to be roughly $85, which is very good for something that's an enthusiast like me. Thank you for watching. This video was pretty short, but it was just to talk about the recent build I made. If you have any questions about it, feel free to ask, and thanks again.